Text align, text decoration, and letter spacing genuinely control real text presentation beyond just font choice. In this video you'll use several real text properties. Text align genuinely controls real horizontal alignment, center here, genuinely centering the actual text within its container. Text decoration genuinely adds an underline. Text transform genuinely converts the real text to actual uppercase display without changing the source. Letter spacing genuinely adds real space between characters. Line height genuinely controls the actual vertical space between wrapped lines. Text align genuinely controls real horizontal alignment. Text decoration text transform genuinely style real text appearance. Letter spacing line height genuinely control real character and line spacing. Style a real heading with center alignment and letter spacing. Ready to control real font family, size and weight.